Hey guys, it's Tim with LeatherSeats.com. We just finished reupholstering the interior in this 2023 Ford Bronco Raptor. This came with the factory vinyl seats, but our customer wanted to upgrade the interior with custom two-tone leather upholstery and our Sanctum seat ventilation system. We built this deluxe leather-trimmed interior kit in a two-tone combination of black and tangerine with contrast tangerine stitching to complement the color accents throughout the interior. Be sure to check out the link in the description below for more details on this package. You can also use our online interior configurator at LeatherSeats.com to see all of our colors and options. Our Sanctum seat ventilation system blows heated or cooled air through the seat upholstery from a thermoelectric device. Be sure to check out our separate video where we show how to install that system on these front seats while still retaining the factory seat heaters. Our upholstery kit for this model includes all the necessary J-clip, Velcro, and hog ring attachment points. We do consider this to be an advanced installation and will require hog rings and hog ring pliers and an upholstery steamer for optimal fitment. If you're planning on adding our Sanctum seat ventilation system for the front seats or our carbon fiber seat heaters that we added to the rear seats, you will need 12-volt experience. If you have any questions or you're looking for an installer, feel free to give us a call and we can see if we have a recommended shop in your area. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or would like to receive free leather samples, give us a call at 866-NEW-SEAT or email us at sales@LeatherSeats.com. For more information, check out the links in the video description. And if you enjoy this type of content, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date. LeatherSeats.com. Custom look, factory fit.